We all know that what we eat affects our overall health, but did you know some common foods in your diet could be silently increasing your risk of cancer? Most of us don't realize the link between certain foods and cancer risk, but research has pointed out some surprising troublemakers. Let's dive into 12 foods that might be doing more harm than we think. 1. Red meats such as beef, pork, and lamb are often part of many people's regular diet, but consuming them in large quantities, especially when cooked at high temperatures like grilling or barbecuing, has been shown to release cancer-causing chemicals like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These substances form when muscle meat is cooked at high heat, particularly over an open flame, and can lead to DNA changes in your cells that increase cancer risk. While red meat can provide essential nutrients like protein and iron, it's important to enjoy it in moderation and explore plant-based sources of protein to reduce the risk of cancer. 2. Many people enjoy a glass of wine or a beer after a long day, but it's important to be aware that regular alcohol consumption is a significant risk factor for many cancers, including breast, liver, and mouth cancers. When you drink alcohol, your body breaks it down into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance that can damage DNA and stop cells from repairing themselves. This process makes it easier for cancer cells to develop. While moderate drinking may still be part of a healthy lifestyle, heavy drinking over a long period increases cancer risk exponentially. Reducing alcohol consumption or eliminating it altogether can greatly decrease your chances of developing alcohol-related cancers. 3. While that crispy fried chicken or batch of French fries might be tempting, fried foods contain high levels of unhealthy fats and acrylamides, which are chemicals that form when certain foods are fried at high temperatures. Acrylamides have been linked to several types of cancer, including kidney, ovarian, and endometrial cancers in animal studies. Additionally, fried foods are often packed with trans fats and saturated fats that promote inflammation and can lead to obesity, further increasing cancer risk. Opt for baked, steamed, or grilled versions of your favorite foods to minimize these risks. 4. It might be your go-to snack during movie night, but microwave popcorn could be hiding a dangerous secret. The bags used to contain microwave popcorn are often lined with PFOAs, perfluorooctanoic acid, a chemical that has been linked to cancer. Additionally, some brands use artificial butter flavoring that contains diacetyl, a compound known to cause severe lung issues and potentially contribute to cancer development. Opting for air-popped popcorn without additives is a healthier, safer alternative that can still satisfy your cravings. 5. Refined carbohydrates, like those found in white bread, pasta, and pastries, are digested quickly, causing a spike in blood sugar and insulin levels. While these might seem harmless, over time, high blood sugar and insulin levels can lead to conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes, both of which are linked to cancer. Additionally, diets high in refined sugars can promote inflammation, a known precursor to many cancers. Some studies suggest that diets high in refined carbs are associated with increased risks of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Choosing whole grains and reducing your intake of refined sugars can be an easy way to reduce your cancer risk. 6. While fish is generally a healthy food choice, farmed fish, particularly farmed salmon, can contain harmful chemicals like PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls, and dioxins. These toxins can build up in the fat of the fish and pose a cancer risk to humans. Farmed fish are often raised in overcrowded conditions and given antibiotics and hormones that may also affect their safety. Wild-caught fish, while more expensive, is a safer choice for reducing cancer risk and benefiting from the heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids that fish provides. 7. Sugary beverages such as sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are often marketed as quick energy boosts or refreshing treats. However, these drinks are loaded with sugar, and regular consumption can lead to obesity, a well-known risk factor for cancer. Beyond just weight gain, sugary drinks can also increase your blood sugar levels, which may contribute to an environment that promotes cancer cell growth. Some studies have shown that excessive sugar consumption is linked to increased risks of pancreatic, breast, and colon cancers. Replacing sugary drinks with water or healthier alternatives can make a big difference in reducing your risk. 8. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats have become staples for many people around the world. However, they are packed with chemicals and preservatives like nitrates and nitrites that have been classified as carcinogens by the World Health Organization, WHO. These additives are used to preserve color and prevent bacteria growth but can convert into harmful compounds in your body. Numerous studies have linked the regular consumption of processed meats to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Over time, even small amounts can build up and create cellular damage. It's important to limit or avoid these meats and opt for healthier, less processed alternatives. 9. Chips, crackers, and other processed snack foods are loaded with artificial preservatives, unhealthy fats, and high levels of sodium. These highly processed foods can lead to obesity, inflammation, and insulin resistance, all of which are associated with an increased cancer risk. They also contain artificial colors and flavors, some of which have been linked to cancer in animal studies. Opting for whole, minimally processed snacks like fruits, vegetables, and nuts is a healthier way to satisfy your cravings while reducing your cancer risk. 10. Pickled foods may add a tangy flavor to your meals, but consuming them too frequently can increase your risk of stomach cancer. The pickling process often involves large amounts of salt, which has been linked to an increased risk of gastric cancer. Additionally, some pickled foods may harbor harmful bacteria if not prepared or stored properly, adding to their potential risk. Enjoy pickled foods in moderation and choose fresh vegetables more often to reduce your cancer risk. 11. Canned foods are a convenient pantry staple, but many cans are lined with BPA, bisphenol A, a chemical linked to cancer. BPA can seep into the food, especially acidic items like tomatoes, increasing your exposure to this harmful substance. While many manufacturers are now moving toward BPA-free cans, it's still important to check labels and try to limit canned foods in your diet. Choosing fresh or frozen alternatives can reduce your exposure to BPA and other harmful chemicals. Small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your long-term health. Remember, fueling your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods isn't just about avoiding cancer, it's about living a vibrant, energetic life. So, let's take control, stay informed, and make every bite count for a healthier tomorrow.